need to go get a fresh cup of coffee. But before I do that, I finally finished up one project. Thought I'd post a quick video on what it is. This is, in my case, essentially I'm going to use it as a power supply for floppy drives, the external 5 1/4 ones. So it has a couple of those Molex type connectors coming out the bottom. Inside is a Well RQ-65B, so 65 watt that has multiple voltages. So it's got +5, +12. I think it might even have -12. I don't remember. But this is a 3D printing case off Thingiverse. If you do a search for Amiga, Meanwell, PSU, or some combination of that, you'll find this object up there to 3D print. Worked pretty well. It's pretty sturdy. Did it at like a 60% infill. It's actually really pretty rigid. Put some feet on the bottom of it, bolted the PSU in, and I wire it up. In my case, I went ahead and added the voltmeter ammeter in the front. I added a power switch to go select between which voltage the meter's at, and I added the mini whatever, I can't remember what it's called, 80 by 10 millimeter fan, rather quiet. I added a connector on for that. We'll turn it on. Fan's not connected right now. So there's the 5 volt. Actually, you know what? I need to mark that as 5, not 6. Oops. And down there is the 12 volt. Why did I mark it as 6 volt? Oh, it's messed up anyways. I gotta change it so that you can see what the 5 volt, and that is. I gotta put a load on it for the ammeter to work. But that's it. It's gonna go all back together now. I got some 3mm screws to put in, bolt it up, and I will call this project done. Now I can work on something else like my Atari for a change. Anyways, oops, laters.